Hello, fellow teachers and patriots. It's Mrs. Barrow. I'm looking for your input on the last day of December. I was originally planning a field day and working hand in hand with the JROTC from 5A high school, but unfortunately I haven't heard back from them yet. So I've laid out a couple of options for you, and I would like your input on what you would like to do that day. Option one would be have a regular school day. Like, we don't do anything, there isn't a field day, there isn't anything extra. Option two would be have a club day, and then that way we can make up the club day that we lost earlier in the semester. Option three would be to create period-long activities with the specials teachers. Like maybe like Ms. DeVonzo will do like an outdoor thing, or Coach Fulmer, and just set up stations for the kids, and they can travel with a designated class, like a social studies class or a science class, through the class periods throughout the day to have a field day. And then that way students, we could do that either through students that aren't missing work and teams can compile that list, or we could do just all the kids, totally up to you. But that way we could have different classes, like kids A through H with social studies for each team or whatnot, travel through different things and have a full day of activities. And then the last option is to have teams get together and have a meeting and set up a fun day for the students that aren't missing work, where you guys can rotate amongst each other and maybe like have a game room and a movie room and something along those lines. And then one teacher, has the kids that are missing work and they work until they're done. So again, let me recap the options because I know it's a little bit confusing, and that's why I made the video. Option one, regular school day. Option two, let's have an extra club day. Option three, we create stations through the extras teachers for the students to do that have finished work, and we rotate them by bell schedule, and I'll create that schedule for you. For students that are not missing work, or for all students, I'm going to put both options on the thing. So that would actually really be like option 3 and 4. But option 5 would be that the team set up different rooms with different activities that the kids can rotate through, and maybe designate one teacher the missing work teacher, or 2 teachers based on how many kids you have that are still missing work on the last day of December for the quarter. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions before you vote, feel free to email me. I just figured we didn't need another meeting, and I wanted your input because I don't want to stick anybody with something they don't want to do. So I hope you all have a great day.